It literally looks like my roots.
Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are being sponsored by Luvwin hair, and these are some of the goodies that came inside the packaging. So a bonnet, an edge brush, HD wig cap, a melting band, as well as this gorgeous headband, eyelashes that I actually did wear in the video. So this is a 13x6 kinky edges. Okay, when I first opened the packaging, not gonna lie, I was a little bit like whoop, jump scare, but it makes so much sense. You'll get to see throughout the video when I install that it actually makes so much sense. Of course, this wig came with pre-cut lace as well as bleached knots, and I believe this is a 20-inch or 22 inches. I'll include it in the description, as well as how you can order this wig. First things first, I'm just doing my regular schmegular bold cap method using the HD wig caps that came inside the packaging and my Glimmer hairspray.
I realize that these hoes ain't right. Don't need to ask cause they know what's the fight. Ain't gotta snow, they already know it's white. I talk to God cause I been baptized. I got my tied to the north side. Pull up with the sticks on a nigga straight slime. They gon' make the north side high crime. Been I hit a lick with these niggas dropping 10. Hit a lick with these niggas dropping 5. Fucking on the friend, I'ma break her back in. Looking at the watch, I can't waste time. Take off. Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy. Got to pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga.
Now to put the wig on, first I went in with a wax stick and a hot comb on my edges. This is when it started making sense to me, because I was like, oh okay, I see the version now. Because look at those roots, they literally look like my hair. Like it's giving my natural relaxed hair after 2 weeks of wearing it out. Like it makes so much sense. I couldn't believe it. I honestly could not believe it. And to install, I'm gonna be using my Ghost Bond, and I went a little bit thick. And I just did one layer, because do you see how thick? Do you see how thick I laid it on? Yeah, no. So yeah, I went and applied it, and I just wait for it to dry clear. I'm gonna use my hair dryer because it was thick. Okay, like I knew if I just sat there it was gonna take forever to dry. But yeah, you just kind of want to wait for it to dry a little bit clear, still tacky, not all the way dry that if you put it on it does not stick on. You don't want that. You just want it tacky. Okay.
I never sleep, I gotta eat. I gotta dance. I feel like when I get to that dance. How can I shop when I get to 4 hands? Talking to top of my business again. People not out and do business again. I want some time like 2 sets of twins. Twins, yeah. Hey, bitch, where your friends, yeah. I'm on switch. Keep on hitting, yeah. All I'm at, all of that, bundles of flowers. All I'm at, never know, big job like I was born in the booth. I don't need it. All of my talk with it. 2 seats.
that is pretty much it. I didn't want to overdo it with the styling because I was going for that natural look. Okay. I want the bob version of this wig. I want a bob version of the kinky edges because I really just want to go out there and tell people this is my hair. And who's gonna clock me? Nobody. But when it's this length, it's very questionable. But yeah, absolutely love the edges. Took me by surprise because I didn't think it was gonna be possible that they blend this gorgeously. Like, look at that. And of course, I did go ahead and curl this unit. You guys will get to see that. Bam. Okay, like, hi, Masibutsana, man. Masibutsana. Like, Wakushija. I love this wig so much.
Practice make perfect, nigga. It's never too late. Never. I see the out of the snake. I see the soul out of the snake.
Thank you all so much for watching. Remember, click the subscription button as well as thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And I will, my love, catch you next time. Bye.